So student, in our seventh question, in a magic square, each row, column and diagonal have the same sum. Check which of the following is a magic square. Means we have to check it row wise, column wise and diagonally. We should get the same answer. Then it is a magic square. First we have to know that what is row, what is column and what is diagonal. So you can see here, row is horizontal line is called row. Means here 5 minus 1 minus 4 is the row 1. Minus 5 minus 2 7 it's row 2. And 0 3 minus 3 it's row 3. And what are columns? Columns are 5 minus 5 0. These are columns. So column is vertically. When we represent it vertically, then it is a column. So horizontal lines are rows and vertical lines are column. Minus 2 minus 1 2 3 this is second column. Minus 4 7 3 this is third column. And what is diagonal? We can say that diagonal is like these lines. So 5 minus 2 minus 3 is first diagonal, and minus 4 minus 2 0 is second diagonal. Now student, you all are clear what are rows, column and diagonals. We should know about rows, column and diagonal. Now we are going to check this question, is it a magic square or not? So as you can see here, first row is, row 1 is 5 minus 1 and minus 4. We will take the sum of first row's number. So plus minus will be minus, positive negative will be minus 4. So 5 minus 1 minus 4, that will be equal to, both are of negative number, sign number. So we will get minus 5, and 5 minus 5 I will get 0 as a answer. So sum of first row is 0. You can see here sum of first row is 0. And now we are going to solve row 2. So numbers in row 2 is minus 5 plus minus 2 plus 7. So we will do the sum of these numbers, minus 5 plus minus 2 and plus 7. So minus 5 and minus 2 will be equal to minus 7 and plus 7. So minus 7 plus 7, that will be equal to 0. So second row sum is also 0. Now we are going to check it for the third row. 0, 3 and minus 3. So 0 plus 3 minus 3, that will be equal to, plus 3 minus 3 cancel out and we will get 0 as a answer. So you can see here row 1, row 2 and row 3. I am getting, after adding the numbers of plus 3 minus 3, that will be equal to, plus 3 minus 3 cancel out and we will get 0 as a answer. So you can see here row 1, row 2 and row 3. I am getting, after adding the numbers of row 1, row 2 and row 3, 0. So now we are checking it for the columns. So column 1 is 5 minus 5 plus 0, 5 cancel and we will get 0 as a answer. And in column 2 you can see here minus 1 plus minus 2 plus 3. So minus 1 plus minus will be minus 2 and plus 3, that will be equal to minus 1 and minus 2, minus 3 plus 3. So minus 3 and plus 3 cancel and after that I will get answer 0. Now I will check it for column 3. Minus 4 plus 7 plus minus 3, that will be minus 3. So after solving this, minus 4 and minus 3, that will be equal to minus 7. First we will solve minus 4 and minus 3, I will get minus 7. Then plus 7 I will write here. So minus 7 plus 7 cancel and I will get 0. So column 1, 2, 3 have same answer, 0. Now we will check it for diagonally. Means whether it's sum, again I will get 0 or not. So first I am going to check it for the diagonal one, that is 5 minus 2 and minus 3. So after solving this, 5 plus minus 2 and plus minus 3. So I will get 5 plus minus minus 2 and plus minus minus 3. So 5 and minus 2 minus 3 will be equal to minus 5. 5 cancel and I will get 0. So diagonal one is also its sum is 0. And now we will check it for the second diagonal, that is diagonal 2. That is, you can see here minus 4 plus minus 2 minus 2 and 0. So minus 4 and minus 2, I will get minus 6. So you can see here clearly that diagonal 1's number sum is 0 and diagonal 2's number sum is minus 6, and both are not equal. So we can say here our condition is not satisfied, that have the same sum according to row, column and diagonal. So it is not a magic square. So our first square is not a magic square. And similarly you can check it for the second. Now we are going to check it for the second square. Now first R1 row 1 is 1 plus minus 10. Row 1 is 1 plus minus 10, that is minus 10, and plus 0. 1 and minus 10, that will be equal to minus 9. Negative of 9 you will get because our number is greater with the negative sign. Greater number is with negative sign. So you will get minus 9 here. Now we will check it for the row 2. Minus 4, minus 3 and minus 2. So I will write it minus 4 plus minus 3, that will be minus 3, and plus minus 2, that will be equal to minus 2. Minus, check it for the row 2. Minus 4, minus 3 and minus 2. So I will write it minus 4 plus minus 3, that will be minus 3, and plus minus 2, that will be equal to minus 2. Minus, all numbers are of negative sign, so we can add and we will use the negative sign. So it will be equal to minus of, you can see here 9, negative of sign, because all numbers are of negative sign. Row 3 is minus 6, 4 and minus 7. So we are going to check the sum of row 3, that will be equal to minus 6 and minus 7, that will be equal to minus 13 and plus 4. So you will get minus 13 plus 4. As our negative number is greater, so we'll get negative sign in answer because our negative number is greater. So answer will be minus 9. So our row 3 sum is minus 9. R1 and R2 sum is also minus 9. Now we will check it for the column 1. Column 1 is 1 minus 4 minus 6. So 1 plus minus 4, that will be minus 4, plus minus 6, that will be equal to minus 6. And minus 4 minus 6 will be equal to minus 10. So 1 minus 10, that will be equal to minus 9. Now for second column. Second column is minus 10 plus minus minus 3, 4 plus 4. So minus 10 and minus 3, that will be equal to, you can see here, that will be equal to minus 13, because both number 10 and 3, both numbers have negative sign. And minus 13 plus 9, that will be equal to 9, and you will have negative sign in answer because negative number was greater. So next for the column 3 is 0 minus 2 minus 7, that will be equal to minus 9. So again we will get the same answer, minus 9, when we do it column wise or whether we are doing it row wise. Now we will check it for the diagonals. So first we are going to check it for the diagonal 1, that is 1 minus 3 and minus 7. So we will take the sum of this diagonal. 1 plus minus 3, that will be minus 3, plus minus 7, that will be minus 7. So minus 3 and minus 7, minus 10, and plus 1, that will be equal to minus 9. Now for diagonal 2, that is 0 plus minus 3 is minus 3, plus minus 6 will be minus 6. So minus 6 and minus 3, again you will get the same answer, minus 9. So as you can see clearly that when we add it row wise, column wise or diagonal, so I am getting the same answer, minus 9. So it is a magic square. So our second square will be magic square, and our first square was not a